Hey guys, it is actually Sunday night, April 5th, but I'm assuming you'll probably watch this sometime Monday, April 6th. I hope you had a good weekend. It was so beautiful outside. Hopefully, you got outside, you played, did something, took a walk, rode a bike, I don't know, did some yard work. Um, but it felt great. I know my family loved it. So, anyway, I wanted to touch base with you about how things are going to look a little bit different. In the next coming weeks. So as we continue on with this remote learning, I'm going to try something new. So if you notice how sweet my fancy little setup is here, with the list of everything that's going on this week. So, I mean, sort of. You know me, I'm going to throw things at you because I think of them and then I want you to do them and then I want to hear you from you and I want to see you. And so things will come up throughout the week. But if you look at what's posted here, on this slide, you'll see that obviously we're still in Fahrenheit 451. Hopefully you got all of those questions answered from part one, the Hearth and the Salamander. Hopefully you're ready to talk about them because that's what we're going to do tomorrow. But you'll notice something else there at the bottom of the yellow post-it note, and that's that I'm going to start a DOL. So a DOL is just you're going to check in. There'll be a grammar question. You'll complete the grammar question every day, and that's going to be my way of taking attendance, knowing that you're here, knowing that you're actively participating in my class. Okay, so I'm doing that because we don't necessarily have assignments that are posted every day, and so in order to know that you're, around, I'm just going to post a DOL every day. It's going to be easy participation points. Um, and that way I can let the office know, yes, this person is still alive and they're participating in class. Also, each teacher is supposed to have Hornet time hours in the morning and the afternoon. So if you look at my green post-it note, I have posted from 9:30 to 11 and 12:30 to 1 are going to be my Hornet time hours. So that's where I'm pretty much guaranteeing you that I will be by my computer. I'll be able to answer your questions. If you need to email me, I'll be there. If you want to do a video chat, just the two of us, or a small group video chat because you have questions about something and you don't know how to put it in an email and you want to talk about it or you don't understand something in the book, we can video chat. I also have a Google Voice number, so I could text or talk on the phone during that time also, if you need me for anything. Okay, as we get further into the book, if you have questions, if you don't understand a part, like there's a part coming up in part two that's really confusing, if you want to talk about it face to face, we can do that. Okay, so that's what those hours are for. And then the pink post-it note is everything that we're doing this week. So make sure that you check in every day with Google Voice. Tomorrow is going to be a small group Zoom session again. So there'll be 6 groups of 8. Um, what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do here in a few minutes, maybe tomorrow afternoon, by 2 o'clock tomorrow, that's my time for your class. By 2 o'clock tomorrow, I will have this posted. It might be before that though, where I'm going to put a doc up where you can sign up for what time you want your session to be. So you can sign up for 10 o'clock, you can sign up for 2:30, whatever session time you want. And you can sign up with whomever you want to sign up with. That's up to you. Okay. I do ask that obviously if you're late to the show and you don't get there in time, don't erase other people's names. We can view document history. That's stupid. So if you get on and you want to sign up and you want to sign up your friend and send them a text and say, hey, I signed you up for the 1 o'clock, that's fine. I don't care. But if somebody's name is already there, please don't erase it. Okay. You can erase your own, but don't erase somebody else's. So that's coming. And we'll do those Zoom sessions on Tuesday. Okay. I loved doing those last time. I don't know if you did, but I really loved it. And then Friday is Good Friday. So even though we're not technically in school, you don't have school either. Okay, so that's kind of what you need to know as of now. Um, so tomorrow, Monday, or today, Monday, if you see this on Monday and not on Sunday, on on Monday, April 6th, I'm going to post a DOL. Okay, so you need to get on, you need to do that DOL, submit it. That'll be your attendance. I'm also going to post the sign up sheet, sign up for a time to chat. If you have not finished those questions, make sure you do that by Monday. Okay. That's all. That's all you have to do on Monday. Tuesday, we're going to do our Zoom sessions, and then I'll assign some reading on Tuesday. Okay. Um, yeah, I think that's all I have for you. So if I can think of anything else, I'll post it on Classroom. I hope you know I miss you. I know I say that every single time, but I hope you know that I really mean it. I miss your faces. I miss your voices. I miss laughing with you. I really miss laughing with you. I love just being around you, and I hate that we're not together. Um, but even though we're not, if you need me, know that I'm an email away. Um, yeah, so that's it. It's 10:13 at night, so I'm probably gonna go to bed, but um, I don't know. All right, good night.